If you learn this one principle of animation, your animation are going to go from a beginner to an absolute expert. And there's only one basic principle you guys just need to apply to your animations, and it will literally change your animation forever. So I'm going to show you the power of the squash and stretch principle. So I'm going to quickly show you how it works. So over here, I've got a quick little animation I just created. It's just 3 keyframes. If I select this ball over here, it's just 3 keyframes. There is no squashing, there's no stretching. This is how it looks like. Okay, quite boring. It's just something like this. This is what most beginners will start like. So now, the squash and stretch animation, how would you apply it? So first things first, for example, when it hits this part, we would apply the squash, okay? We'll quickly squash it like this, a little bit on the z-axis, something like that. To add a keyframe, then you can move it. But before we do that, I'm going to quickly restart this because I do not want to get these, I don't want to have these parts like this. So I'm going to quickly do A and just get rid of these keyframes. I don't like them right now. So the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to quickly insert a keyframe at this position, and then I'm going to go over here to frame number 5. Then what we're going to do in frame number 10, we're going to quickly move down. I'm going to stretch it like this, okay, stretch, and we're going to press I. As you can see, we're going from like this to this, then we're going to go to about frame 30, and we're going to go absolutely down, and up until we hit that floor, right over here, GZ up. Then we're going to add another keyframe over here, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. And as you can see, it slows down over here. So we're going to quickly move this backwards so it's at the same speed. And then when we're over here at frame, let's just say frame 25, this is going to squash, something like that. I'm going to quickly move it down over here. To add a keyframe. Then we're going to go over here and let's just see what happens. This is what it looks like. Then it squishes, stretch, squish. Then it's going to be squishing even more. I want to squish it even further down. And let's quickly move it down even further. Something like that. To add a keyframe. And as we can see, it goes down. And then we're going to do the same thing, but the opposite direction. Now it's going to be going upwards. GZ. And something as said. Then we're going to go up. Something like that. Add a keyframe. This is what it looks like right now. So we're going to start off, jump, and then it's going to go back up to something like that. Okay? And Now let's see how it looks. See that? Basically, it's just a squash and stretch principle, and you're just doing it like this. Look at that. We would just had a monotone bouncing little ball that had no squash and stretch, and in like 2 minutes we have literally animated this. You can play around with the timing, you can do lots of stuff. Maybe I need to move this up a little bit to get it right. As you can see, with just that, we did a little ball bouncing. As you can see, it adds lots of emphasis to it, and it makes your animation look even better. Now, you don't have to apply it to a ball only. You can apply it to, let's say, jumping character, moving, walking, anything. Okay, this is just how you need to apply it. Okay, squash and stretch. If you're trying to make something, jumping something, that's going to be fine as well. So you can apply this principle as well. So in total, I believe there are 12 total principles animation, and if you want to check them out, I have a link in the description for that as well. But this one is the most important for your animation to go to the top level. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very short video, and I'll see you guys